Good morning guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. So today's video is just another random vlog which I'm going to shoot, and this is basically a new room that we have just renovated because there was some cracks in here and there and we basically needed it to get renovated, so we just renovated this room. And so here, as you can see, we have a new guest who is sleeping here very nicely. So the reason Akshay is here because his home is getting renovated, so he just came here to stay because he has to do some work and all, and he can't do it and all that mess. So that's why if you have seen it here, you can see there's a big PC which I absolutely ship it for, but here it is, very high spec. He made this PC 2 years ago, so this is, I think, an i7 9 generation 32 GB SSD and all that stuff. I don't recollect whatever he said, but it's very high spec. It costed him a lot and the PC works absolutely fine. So due to all his work and everything, he needs a quiet space, and so I just told him that you can stay here and till his house gets renovated and then he'll move back. So that's why he's here. But as you can see, work going on really great. So the reason I'm making this video is because a few months back I made a video which was kind of incomplete, and it was in a bit of mess that I couldn't shoot it because there's a lot of excitement, there's a lot of other things and a lot of other reasons. It was a delivery video of my cousin's new Tata Harrier, the Camo edition, which was new back then, which was just launched and he bought it. I thought of making a delivery video showing you the process of getting the delivery of the car and how the car is from inside, the outside, how the new color looks like. So that's why I made a video. I shot few videos of the car here and there. I shot a video of my brother and me speaking, but there were too many people there and we were so busy in looking at the car and just driving it that I couldn't shoot it completely. But there were few clips, and so I thought of, why not I just take you back to the time when this car was delivered and show you what exactly was going on. So let's go back to the time when we took the delivery of Tata Harrier, and things were quite normal back then. Not exactly normal, but better than what we are in the situation today. So let's go. Good evening guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Today is a very special day because we are taking a delivery of a new car, which is Tata Harrier. So without further ado, let's just get on with things. How do you feel?
Very happy at the moment and looking forward to take the delivery.
Finally we are inside the car and it has been unveiled and curtains are down. The car looks absolutely amazing. It's a new color, that is the Camo edition. How do you feel?
It's nice.
Take your mask down. Now say something.
Say something.
Say something about the car.
The car is amazing. We just need a lot of time to explore this car.
Yes.
Yeah. When do we get to explore?
And now this gentleman is going to drive.
Yes.
So that was it. That was the complete video. So we took the car out from the showroom and we drove it to a restaurant. We had dinner, and then we just drove it in circles and here and there, and then we just parked it at his home, and we took my car back to our home, and that was the day, which was it. Pretty excited. Then we rather drove another did a short road trip to Mahabaleshwar in that car, and it was fantastic. So, and obviously I didn't shoot that video because I wanted that trip to be very secret, very private, and I didn't want to shoot anything. Just I needed to relax and kind of detox my mind, so that's why I didn't shoot the video. But anyways, that was it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do like it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.